Welcome, guys. I know what you're thinking. Ed's got younger and more attractive. But actually, you may recognise this handsome fellow to my right. This is Mike, who you might have seen on Beer Masters recently. And we are down in sunny Poole to do a brew day.
We are.
It's very exciting.
Yeah.
The sun is out, and there's blossom on the tree behind the camera. Things are looking good.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to today. Should be good fun.
Yeah. And what's on the cards?
We're going to brew a summer ale. It's a beer that I want to brew for my youngest son's wedding, which is going to be sort of middle of May. So hopefully this will be nice and light and refreshing. It's a beach wedding. So yeah, we're going for something nice and light, nice and pale. Lots of nice fruity hops in it. So yeah, it should be good fun.
What sort of strength are we talking for this one then?
As I said, it's for a wedding, so we don't want it too strong. So we're going for sort of about 4.3, 4.2, 4.3. So yeah, something we can.
Unlike this one, which is a belting of beer, I have to say. This is your silver winning brew from Beer Masters. Not the actual one.
No,
but
this is a remake of. Yeah. So depending on which BJC style you look at, it's either a Belgian quad, a strong English, a barley wine, or a strong Belgian.
Mine's gone.
Be careful walking now. So yeah, it comes out just under 10.1%. So
yeah,
it's a nice gentle.
You can start your brew day with a 10% beer. You're
doing
well.
Oh, good luck.
No, I have to say that's a really genuinely good beer. Thank you.
Good, I'm glad you enjoyed it.
One of the things that people have said about Beer Masters is that the recipes weren't available anywhere. Are you open with your recipes? Are you?
Oh yeah, I mean I'm happy to chat recipes and things.
If that's actually true, you'll see them in the description below.
Yeah, no, a lot of them are very, very simple recipes. I mean, you can't copyright a recipe, so I mean, I can either be very, very selfish about it and keep it all to myself, or I'm happy to share recipes. Yeah, I'd let you have this, especially this one. And this one is a very, very simple recipe.
Yeah, it's lovely.
So yeah, we can share recipes. People give it a go. It's
yeah.
More people that brew beer, the better.
Absolutely.
That's it.
Yeah.
So
let's get in the brew house and get stuck in.
Cool. Let's do it. No, makeup was very impressed.
You haven't got a shiny head.
No.
I've got a fairly glossy finish on mine.
Yeah. I don't know what mine is yet. I've got a bit too much hair. But
I don't know where you get your delusions, laser brain.
Right, so I'm going to use the Grainfather today. This is an anniversary present. A few years ago, so what got me into home brewing. So.
Is it a G something?
I have no idea. It's the second. That's the second.
G70, isn't it? Is that right? I haven't actually.
50.
Do you have a preference generally between this and the Brew Devil? Was it?
That's a big old tank though over there.
That's 200 litres. That's we've scaled up a little bit, so we've got a three vessel system to use that. Going back to these two, they've both got their pluses. This is very easy to use. So literally, you just chuck it in, press the button, connect it to your phone, and it goes. It tells you what to do, when to do it. Whereas the other one is you have to be a lot more attentive to it. But the heating element is it's 3 kilowatt. This is only 2, so obviously it heats up a lot quicker. I find the other one actually easier to use. Which is probably why the other one's gone on it, because I've used that one so much. I mean, and obviously it's bigger. So this is quite a nice little size, just for doing trial brews with.
Great anniversary present as well.
Yes, I must have done something right at some point. So.
How about this sexy pump you've got down there then?
This came with the Powell kit. So I've got 2 of them. Literally, it'll empty these in seconds. Well, seconds.
Oh, look at the force that's going.
A lot of power in that, isn't
I was going to these go both ways as well, but I thought best not.
Yeah, carry on.
Yes, this is the infamous trowel from the Brew Masters. This is very satisfying, this bit, isn't it?
Yeah, favourite part for me.
Get those enzymes doing all their good work, turning all that lovely starch into lovely sugars.
And when are you going to start the recirc?
It's done.
Oh, it's on?
Yeah. Sorry,
It's silent, isn't it?
It's all on.
Oh, it's on, okay.
Yeah. It's It's all in there, all doing.
So you don't go through the nice hole in the lid?
No, because what I've done is I've put a cam lock on the end of it so that I can easily connect it up to pumps and things.
Oh, okay.
And not have to worry about it. So yeah, that's why, because the cam lock doesn't fit through there.
It's just dead silent, isn't it?
Good, isn't it?
Do that with your wife asleep in the room next door, and you want to have a
I can do a lot of things with my wife asleep in the room next door.
Oh dear.
Why couldn't I do?
Oh dear, outside, never mind.
Right, where are we at, Michael?
We've just done the flame out. It's automatically done it because it's a very, very clever machine. But if you can get the camera a little bit closer, in fact, that's the end of the flame out. You can see just how clear we've managed to get it. I don't know if you can see the filter at the top there. So
Looks lovely and clear.
yeah, and that's beeping now to tell us that we can start sparging. So it'll automatically. It's very clever. It automatically starts heating it. It'll heat it to 98 just in case you take too long sparging, so it won't boil over. So yeah, we're ready to.
Cool.
Start sparging.
You've got the plate in there that distributes your sparge water evenly without disturbing the grain bed too much.
Yes, it does. It's not too difficult because you've only got a very small area, so we're only hitting that much. Whereas if you're looking at that, you've got an area like that. So yes, you want it to be evenly spread out. Whereas with this one, it's no massive issue.
It doesn't matter if the water obviously comes out of the pump quite briskly.
Yes. The problem is that pump is so efficient. I'm trying to get it down to a trickle.
Yep.
But the pump starts to cavitate. Technical term there.
Cavitate. Good word.
It draws air in, and it doesn't work particularly well. Yeah. We're supposed to measure exactly how much water we're adding, but I know that this recipe is going to bring the finished volume up to there. So I'm not actually measuring the amount of sparge water I'm using. I just know from brewing this before that that's the level to bring it to.
Okay.
Do you know what that level is? The pre-boil volume.
There.
Oh, okay. There we go. I've got it on camera. There we go.
There we are. It's that level.
Well, you're a man who knows his equipment.
Top of the jacket. It's
So why some of you going with leaves and some pellets, or is just
because that's what I could get.
Right.
That's what I had. I know it sounds silly, but I find that especially with the flavouring hops, going at the end, it actually filters. It acts as a filter. Whereas if you've got all pellet, it gets a lot of trub in the bottom, and you get a lot of stuck. We are now adding our flavour hop addition.
Brilliant.
So Citra, Ekuanot, and Amarillo.
So this control unit on this Grainfather, that tells you actually it basically times everything, including your hops.
Yeah, so it tells you the batch number, so it's batch number 83, temperature's there, and to add, just you program it in on your phone or on your tablet, and then it just sends it to the control unit. It literally is, I was going to say fireman proof, but idiot proof, it's the same thing. Now that you've allowed, as soon as the boil stops and that all starts to settle out, you can see that is actually now crystal clear because
that's good.
The hops are actually providing a filter, like your grain bed does.
Yeah, that's looking really good. So we're sanitising the pipes now, getting ready to chill?
Yep, just getting the chill on now. Now that plate chiller is very, very efficient.
So we were just saying that all your beers on there, they're all bottle conditioned.
Yes.
They're all transported to the show in bottles.
Yes, we actually, obviously the other two.
I think I'll make it now.
It's alright, isn't it? It's,
when you get it right on the show then?
So, the other 4 teams obviously had theirs couried over.
Yeah.
But they sort of ran out of time to get ours up there, so we drove them up when we went up for the filming.
Yeah.
Literally chucked them all in there.
Was it just time then? It hadn't had long enough, or?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah.
This is the one that we got the faint homebrew smell.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Were you upset by that comment? It's a bit homebrewy was the exact line,
yes.
I think.
Yeah, a little bit upset by it. I didn't feel it was any better or any worse than anybody else's.
No, I'm not getting it either. I mean, I've got a terrible sense of
See,
smell.
the thing
But
is, though, this has had another 8-9 months to condition. So some of that.
There's nothing metallic. There's nothing off.
No, it's in there. Yeah, this is the one that James kept going on about. It's a cider because it's got apple juice in it.
It's nice.
I am getting apple and cinnamon. Maybe my brain's telling me it's in there. But
I get more taste.
Yeah.
It's nice.
So if that
Everything in Mike's
19.2,
brew house is on wheels, so he just shifts it around
Be on for a couple of minutes.
at his leisure. It's a pretty good idea.
Yeah.
He's still waffling with Ed, as you can hear. There's the eagle in the corner. I'm just saying that
I'm just saying that all your stuff's on wheels. It's ingenious.
Yeah.
Just shift it around.
Just make space.
With no bad language required.
No space.
Oh, there we go. It's looking good. There's a nice colour. Very pale.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. Little whip room. Straight into the drain. That's the dream.
That's it.
It's the simple things that make me happy.
Yes.
Mike has his own cold storage. Dirty devil. What temperature cold storage at?
6.5.
6.5.
I guess. It's only because I got the temperature gauge out here.
And that's literally done by an open fridge into the room.
It's actually a freezer.
A freezer, open freezer. Look at that.
And do you know what that also does?
So that's yeasty time.
Gets loads of oxygen.
Gets loads of oxygen into that little bit.
So you've taken some of the work,
Take
put
some
your
of the
yeast
work
in.
out. It just makes it a lot easier weighing it out rather than trying to weigh it into a dry. Means I can sterilise this, whereas if I put it into a dry thing, that's not sterile. If I spray it with sanitizer, all the yeast sticks. I find this is an easier way of doing it.
Yeah.
There you go.
If you want to come around and if you want to see inside the magic box,
Does he ever?
What kind of proposition is that for a gentleman? Oh, we're actually pitching in here, okay.
yeah.
There we go.
It's a great little airlock, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah.
Go
Big airlock.
eat sugar and be merry.
Yeah.
That's it. Go on, all yours.
Have you met the new
You
tin?
sign it off together. What's next for this beer?
What's next for this beer? It's in fermenting and it'll be ready. This isn't it, because obviously this is far more than we
You're
brew.
stroking that like you stroke your tummy.
It's black and big and
Feeling of
round.
love.
Yeah, no, it'll be in there for 10 days, fortnight, and then we'll get it out. We'll pop it into kegs, and then that will be the beer that we're going to serve at my son's wedding.
Very nice. Happy with how it went?
Yes, very happy. Yeah, we. This is the second.
It's obviously a highlight having us here, you know.
Oh
like,
yeah,
the
you
best
you
brew
just
of your
made
life.
made it go.
It was a breeze, wasn't it?
Nobody almost died on this
No,
one, as they did
no.
last time.
Not
So,
yet.
yeah. So yeah, no, pleased with it.
Yeah,
So it went well.
brilliant.
Excellent. Are we going to get some to taste as a follow-up in a month or two?
Yes, of course you can.
Yeah, so that's
We're
what
coming to the
we're
wedding, aren't we? You said?
Yes, yes, you're putting the marquee up and serving the beer.
Yeah.
Definitely not putting that mark yet. Excellent.
Yeah,
Well,
no, of course we would send some up. So
well, that's cool. Thanks for having us.
you're more than welcome.
And we'll...
And good luck with the next is.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks again. It's been great.